Friends, good evening. This is Sanjay Bhatia, astrologer, and today we are going to talk about comics trading, the bullion trade, and as well as natural gas and as well as crude oil. Five commodities we are discussing: gold, silver, copper, natural gas, and as well as crude oil. So we are regularly giving weekly episodes on our Hindi channel, but this is the first time we are giving uh, the guidance on English channel, and where this is a weekly guidance, and on the auspicious day of US Independence Day 250th anniversary, we are starting this episode where we are giving you a weekly guidance on every week on weekend how the trade in comics will perform. So this is for the benefit of our all global viewers who are into different corners of the world in different countries, because we have got client from Nigeria, we have got client from Portugal, we have client from Greece, New Zealand, Germany, then Brazil, and as well as Argentina, then US, Canada are always there, and US and UK we have got clients. Then down south we have got New Zealand, Australia. So overall we have got clients outside India, a lot many, and not to forget about the Dubai, the Middle East part, where Qatar and as well as Saudi and UAE, we have lot many crowd. I would say our clients who are viewing our episodes, liking it and appreciating it also. I'm grace of my heart, bottom of my heart, thank you to all those people who are watching my episode and giving me the encouragement, the boost, which will help me to come out with more episodes into different astrological guidance, so that you should be aware how the things will be fare up in the future. So let's start today's episode. We are starting with five commodities which I've said to you. We are finding lot many pains in precious metals. People are rejected, or to some extent few people are negative also after seeing the performance in the month of June. Let me assure you, this is just a profit booking, nothing else. If you are a long-term investor, then gold is ready for a parabolic bull run. So don't take it as that this is a long-term correction. We are into a bear market phase at the moment, but this phase is getting over. Maybe from July onwards we are finding upside. This month should go in green. Let's first talk about the weekly episode, then we come into the conclusion. Today we have taken a commodity gold, where we will be discussing in detail how it has started this year and where it stands as of now, and what are the future prospects. So gold closed on 4175, Friday close 4175 at the COMEX trading, and the weekly gain after after I think 3 to 4 weeks, we are finding a weekly gain of 2.11%. So whereas monthly loss is there, it's a big loss. 11.69% is the monthly loss for gold. This is the fourth continuous month where gold has closed on a negative figure. We'll be discussing in the later part of the episode. Silver last trading point was 62.42. Some upside was there, and weekly gain was 5.47%, whereas MTD is again 22.16% downside. So it's a big downside for silver, and in last 2 years this is the biggest downside in a month recorded. Copper is showing some stability. It has closed on 6.22%. Weekly loss was minimal, 0.61% minimal, and MTD is again is okay, 2.11% manageable, 2.11% negative correction. Crude oil has given a big crash, 20.44% downside in the whole week. The last trading point 68.78, last trading price 68.78, and weekly loss is 0.78%. So it is a big downside, and I'm anticipating another 200 to 200 rupees downside, or dollars, around 2 to up to 65. I will come into the prediction part later on. Natural gas closed on 3.24% and the weekly loss is 1.08%. MTD loss is 0.46%. So overall, we found that all 5 commodities had given a negative return in the month of June in the monthly scenario, whereas gold and silver weekly basis it has given a positive close. So this is all about and how the market will fare up next month. I mean to say next week for next 5 days, 6th to 10th. We will be joining after the break. So kindly stay with us. Friends, before starting today's prediction, let me make the things very clear right from the beginning that I am not a registered SEBI financial advisor or SEC in US, that not a registered one over there. So don't take my prediction as a final one. Consult your registered financial advisor before taking any trade, because when you take a trade, when you enter into a trade, you will end up profit or loss. In both the circumstances, profit and loss will be yours. It has nothing to do with my channel or with me individually. So we'll be making the things clear right from the beginning before coming to the conclusion and as well as the prediction part. Now, how the things will fare up in next week means how the planets are shaping up, what planets are giving the indication. We have given an episode and we have reiterated that Mercury becomes retro. It gives us trend reversal, and we have already seen a trend reversal taking shape. Gold has already taken a bottom, even silver and copper, all the metals have taken a bottom, and now the cycle has reversed and upside is beginning now. So Mercury retro given trend reversal, that is there, which I have told to you on 29th of this month, June, it has started retrogression, and it has given effect from 30th, on 30th morning, early morning, Indian Standard Time, when we had comics, we had, the lowest ever figure recorded for this year, 3944. So from there it has given an upside. Now the upside is there, 4175. I think the pricing is there on the closing one. In Leo, that South Node is there, Ketu is there, and now Venus has already moved. Today is 4th, and Venus has moved and conjunct with Ketu. This is very good for silver. So because of this reason, we are going to see a stability in the silver pricing, and silver will go up in this month. How much, how far it will go up, we will tell you in the next part of the this episode. Sun will move to Punarvasu Nakshatra on 6th of July. This is again an auspicious one. This is again a good one for gold, and it will give a boost to gold. Mars in Taurus and change the Nakshatra on 5th of July. So Mars at present in Kritika Nakshatra, it will move to Rohini Nakshatra, and this is this Nakshatra, this constellation belongs to Moon. So this is again good because Moon and Mars are friendly in nature. So another transit is Mercury retro will come back to Gemini. Mercury, once it has become retro on 29th, it was just in the starting degrees of Cancer sign. So now once it has become retro, it will go back to Gemini sign on from 7th of July, and it will be there till the month end. Neptune retro from 7th of July, it will have a positive impact on precious metals. So this is all about, when we talk about moon transits, moon will transit to Pisces on 6th and 7th. These 2 days will give a consolidation phase, and the gold will struggle to cross 4250, and silver will struggle to cross 65, and if it crosses, then it'll go higher, but I doubt it will cross on 6th and 7th to these hurdles. Then 8th, 9th and 10th, moon will be in Aries. That is more auspicious, and we believe that some more upside will be there in this period, rather after the rejection on 6th and 7th. So on Friday, Taurus, moon will move to Taurus, at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time or 9 a.m. We call it US time, New York time, Eastern time. So overall, we are finding gold, silver, and copper range bound, but slowly and gradually picking up for a bigger upside in times to come. So this is all about how the things will fare up. The market will take further upside. Gold, silver, even copper will show some upside. Whereas natural gas and crude oil, I'm still finding this week will be a negative one. Now, when we talk about the gold, gold has given mixed kind of feeling. In the month of January, it has started the month with the bottom price of 4,310 and given all-time high of 5,595. The best month for gold in this year so far, 12.75%. That's a good return. And from there the market had crashed on 29th of January. Then gold has come down to 4,404 level in 3 days, just 3 days, and from there it has again picked up. By the month end, it has gone to 5,279. But when the war started in the month of February, the February 28th, so again the profit booking takes place and gold has come back to 4,100 level. In the month of February, when we talk about 4,400 to 5,279 upside, it has given an upside of 8.48%. So in between 3-4 days the crash was there, then again it has come to the stability. But in the month of March, we are finding the real crack, because the gold has come to 4,100 on 23rd of March, and from 5420 was the price on 3rd of March. From in just 20 days, it has come to 4,100, and the downside was steep. 11.48%. 11.48% was the downside in just 20 trading days. Then in the month of April, again the upside was there, and we believe that upside will take it to 5,000 further on, because astrological combinations were indicating that gold will go further on, 4,510 to 4,890. But at just 4,890 level, it has choked up again because of indecisiveness of Donald Trump, that it will fire, it will harm Iran, because there was no peace agreement, although the ceasefire was there from 8th of April. But the things were in dilemma in on both the direction. So gold was directionless in that month. So again it has come down in the month of May from a level of 4,773 on 13th of May. That was the day when gold was at the highest level for the month of May. Then from 4,773 it has come to 4,366 by the month end. Although we had predicted that the correction will be there, and correction was there, but overall it is 1.80% the downside. Whereas in June the real pain had started from 4,546 at the month beginning, and the close on 30th, which I've just said to you, it has given a bottom price of this year is 3,944. Overall 11.70% downside in the month of June. So this is the story of 6 months, and overall when we talk about the 6 month H1 figure, it is given a negative close, 3.5% negative return gold has given in this year, after giving a fabulous return in 2025. So now how the H2 is shaping up, how the things will shape up, yes, we will come out a detailed episode where we will be talking about how the market will do better in next 6 months. But as an astrologer, I'm just giving you this guidance. This is a lifetime opportunity, is a golden opportunity in case you're a long-term investor. These prices will not come to you again. From last 4 months, we are finding 3,940 now. 3,940, the price, it is difficult to breach now further. But still, you can't say anything. Then these are the prices which I'm just finding it only for a couple of more months. That's it. After that, the price will skyrocket in gold, and my prediction of 9,000 US dollar gold before 31st of this year, 31st December, is still intact. So which will be the month? I will be coming into H2 details with a 6 monthly period, where I will be talking about July, August, September, October, November, December. All 6 months, that how the things will fare up. But at the moment, I'm just giving a solace that July will be a good month and it will close in green. That's it from my side. I hope you had liked the content. If you like the content, kindly like my channel, like it, subscribe it, and share the contents. And if you are new to my channel, kindly give your comments also, thoughtful comments, so that where I can improve, what are the things, shortcomings we have to put in, and from the next episode we will come out in a better shape. Thank you very much. Thanks for patience. Thanks for watching my episode. Goodbye.